Close your eyes for one moment and imagine a classroom where a student walks to the front, ready for a presentation. She speaks, and instantly, the whole class listens. Not because her slides are colorful, not because her topic is trendy, but because she starts with a story that feels real, meaningful, human. This is the power of storytelling. Whether you're pitching a business idea, writing a report, campaigning for a school project, or presenting in front of an audience, storytelling is the secret ingredient that makes your idea come alive. Today, you'll understand how stories can turn simple ideas into unforgettable messages. Welcome to Lesson 9, Storytelling. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the importance and power of storytelling in presenting ideas, learn strategies to craft compelling narratives, explore examples of effective storytelling in business and entrepreneurship. The power of storytelling. Why do stories matter? Because stories do what facts alone cannot. They evoke emotion. They create connection. They make ideas memorable. They persuade people to care. A powerful story doesn't just inform your audience, it moves them. For entrepreneurs, this is critical. When pitching an idea or marketing a product, storytelling can make your message relatable, help investors believe in your idea, inspire customers to take action. Storytelling is not decoration. It is a tool of influence. Crafting your story, every great story, whether in books, movies, or business, shares for key elements. 1. The character, the hero. The hero can be you, your customer, your company, or even your idea itself. 2. The setting. Where and when does the story take place? What background helps the audience understand the situation? 3. The conflict. This is the heart of your story. What problem or challenge does the hero face? 4. The resolution. How does the hero overcome the problem? What solution did your idea provide? These 4 elements guide your audience through a journey that makes your message impossible to ignore. Engaging the audience. A story is not just what you tell, it's how you tell it. Here are techniques to bring your story to life. Use vivid descriptions. Show emotion through voice and expressions. Add pauses to build suspense. Use relatable examples. Make eye contact to connect. Change your tone and pacing. The more alive you are as a storyteller, the more alive your idea becomes. Example, the founding story of Jollibee. One of the most iconic business stories in the Philippines is the story of Jollibee. The hero, Tony Tan Kakshong. The setting, a small ice cream parlor in Manila. The conflict, multinational fast food giants entering the Philippines. The resolution, Jollibee, focused on Filipino tastes, sweet spaghetti, crispy chicken, warm hospitality. Instead of being defeated by global competition, Jollibee became a national treasure. This is not just a business, it's a story of resilience, identity, and passion. And stories like this inspire people, making your idea the hero. Not all stories are about people. Sometimes the hero is your idea. Ask yourself, what problem does your idea solve? What challenge did it overcome during development? How did it grow or evolve? What difference can it make in someone's life? When your idea becomes the hero, your audience begins to believe in its mission. Storytelling in different formats. You don't have to rely on spoken storytelling alone. Many forms can bring your idea to life. Digital storytelling, short videos, animations, slideshows, infographics, social media reels. A simple 1-minute video showing your startup journey can reach thousands and make your message stronger and more emotional. The world loves stories, especially visual ones. The importance of a strong opening and closing. Start strong. Your opening determines whether your audience leans in or tunes out. Examples of strong openings: a personal story, a shocking fact, a question, a relatable problem. A dramatic statement. End stronger. Your closing should reinforce your main message. Leave a memorable image. Inspire action. Make your idea unforgettable. People often remember the beginning and the end. Make both count. Using data in storytelling. When used correctly, data adds credibility and strength to your narrative. But raw data can be confusing, so use charts. Use infographics. Use comparisons. Use simple visuals. Connect the data to your story. Example: if your idea helps reduce electricity costs, show a simple before and after chart. Let the numbers become part of the hero's journey. Data becomes powerful when it supports the story, not replaces it. Pause and reflect. If someone asked me to tell the story of my idea right now, would they feel inspired, connected, and convinced? Who is the hero of my story and what challenge are they facing? How can my idea solve a problem in a way worth telling? Stories shape decisions. Stories inspire action. Stories make ideas unforgettable. Whether you're building a business, presenting in class, leading a group, or communicating a vision, your story is your superpower. So don't just share information, share transformation. Let your idea live. Let your message breathe. Let your audience feel what you want them to understand. Because when you tell a great story, your idea doesn't just exist. It comes alive.